All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Gene at GNS Designs. Yes, GNS Designs and more. What we're going to do today is I'm going to do a couple trucks, a Toyota Tundra and a Dodge Ram 2500 pickup truck and a small little black car. I don't know what it is, but we're going to put a little logo on the back of their window. But you're going to see a lot of GND Construction around town. They do a lot of roof and siding repair, hail damage. They do a lot of free inspections. If you ever need something, please reach out to them. They're a really good group of people. I've met them a couple times before I was able to actually meet with them and do some work on the side of their vehicles. So I'm actually going to take their vehicles, put their business logo all on the other side of the vehicles. So stay tuned, see what happens. Welcome back, guys. Finally finished with the truck for GND Construction. Looks pretty cool when it came to me. One of the trucks anyways that I've done was all white. It's a Toyota Tundra. Here's what it looks like. just for that, and I'll leave it in there just for you. Alright guys, welcome back. I finally got these two trucks done. It's a Toyota Tundra and a Ram 2500. They all look totally different from each other. Same concept, but one's all blue and the other one's got the black and blue design on it. So you're going to see these guys a lot around here. Is GND Construction. They do a lot of wind and hail restoration. They do more than just that, but I was fortunate enough to do a bunch of work for these guys. A couple trucks, a little black car Fiesta. Met the guys. They're all a good group of people, so they're friendly. Anytime you see them, they always have a smile on their face. They're very friendly. Can't say that enough. They are very friendly. Their service is awesome. When they did my house, I've had my shed done. They're doing to do my roof. But anyways, check them out. 630-473-0148 GND Construction. There's Miguel, German, and Efron. All right, here's what we got, and stay tuned for some more stuff. The next job I got coming up is a Nissan Sentra. It's a blue, and they want to do a chrome delete, so I'm gonna get rid of all that, do a high gloss black.